interested in learning math, you should watch this video. So today, the kind of idea I had was just to go over some of like the notation and like shorthand you'll see in a lot of higher level math classes like discrete math or analysis or anything like that. Because I don't know, it can make what you're learning super convoluted, but like the actual statement is like trivial. And so it'll just make math a lot easier to understand if you understand the notation behind it. And so with that said, let's start. So this right here, this backwards E, it just means, in English, it means there exists. So if you have like, you can say like there exists like an x greater than 4, then you know that like you have an x greater than 4. So in English, this just means there exists. With it crossed out, this next one, this just means there does not exist. So if you don't have something that exists, you just say there doesn't exist. So actually we can write out examples. We can say like, I don't know, like there exists an x greater than 4 here. There does not exist an x less than 2. I don't know, it's just random statements. There exists, it does not exist. You can use it however you want. That's what it means. For this next one, this little epsilon here, this means is an element of. So if you have like an object and it's an element of something else, if it's an element of a set, if it's in something else, then you would use this little symbol and say it's an element of. So if we have two sets, these little brackets mean sets. Actually, we'll say 1 is an element of the set 1, 2, 3. So 1 is in this set, and this next one, the negation, this means not an element of. So we can say like 4 is not an element of this same set 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this is a set, it's just a collection of objects, and these are just integers, numbers, and that's what these two mean. Is an element of, is not an element of, okay? This little upside down triangle, or upside down A actually, this means for all. So if you want to make like a large generalization, say for all something, I don't know, we can say like for all natural numbers, something happens. Yeah, that just means, I'll write it up, for all.